In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create conditional checkboxes on your phone here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So if you want to create conditional checkboxes, here's how to do it. I have my example data right here. We have 3 columns. First for our movies, then watched, then recommended. So what I want to happen here would be that if I check on this checkbox right here, that would mean I've watched it and I would recommend it, and something would pop up here like definitely yes, or if there's no check, then it would just say no. So let's go ahead and create that, and we're going to use the if function to create that conditional checkbox. Now, the default values of your checkboxes would be if they are unchecked, that would be false, and if they are checked, then their value would be true. Let's go ahead and use those values in our formula. Let's start right here. I'm just going to zoom in. So right here, we are going to start our formula. Tap on that cell, then tap on the formula bar right below and start your formula. So that would be with the equal sign. Then type in if. There you go. Tap on that one. There is our syntax or our formula. So our logical expression would be that if this cell right here is equal to true, then the value would be this text right here, which would be in quotation marks. So that's definitely yes. So you can put in whatever text you want right here. There you go, comma. And if the value is false, then we can just say no. Again, in quotation marks. Close that off. And there you have it. If we tap on this check mark on the right side, right now it would tell you no because again, our checkbox is unchecked. Now, if we drag this formula down, we are just going to select all these cells, tap on it, and select autofill. So that's how we autofill our data with the same formula that we have at the top. So if we tap autofill, there you go. Right now, everything is at no. Let me just format that and center it. Now, if I check on, let's say, one of these movies, let's say 300 Rise of an Empire, if we check on that, there we go. Our values have changed into definitely yes. We could recommend that movie to other people, and this one as well, and this one. And there you have it. That's how we can create conditional checkboxes on our phone using the if function right here in the Google Sheets app. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.